Welcome to VAK's lecture. In our last video, we have seen about what is DNS and different types of DNS. If you have not seen, I will provide the link in description box. You can catch here. Now, in this video, we will discuss how DNS helps to open a website on our computer. So, let's get started. Suppose we type facebook.com in the web browser. Since web browser needs IP address, so it forwards the query to the computer's operating system. Operating systems are configured to forward the query to the DNS resolver. Then operating system contacts the DNS resolver. DNS resolver checks its cache whether it has the IP address of the requested website. If not, the DNS query is forwarded to the root name servers. Root name server checks the extension of the website, whether it is .com, .org, .net, .in, etc. Based on the extension, the root name server provides the IP address of TLD name server to the DNS server. In this case, IP address of .com TLD name server is provided to the DNS resolver. DNS resolver then contacts the .com TLD name server, which then provides the IP address of the authoritative name server, which should necessarily store the IP address of the requested website. Finally, authoritative name server provides the exact IP address of facebook.com to the DNS resolver. DNS resolver stores this information in its cache for future use and provides the IP address to the computer's operating system. Then operating system forwards it to the browser. The web browser then contacts the Facebook server and loads the requested website, that is facebook.com. But how TLD name server knows which authoritative name server stores the IP address of the requested website? It all begins when we purchase a domain name from a registrar. For example, GoDaddy. In registrar's website, we can set the authoritative name server that domain should use. We get the details of authoritative name server when we buy a web hosting plan from companies like HostGator. Once authoritative name server details are entered in the registrar's website, then the registrar tells the TLD name server managing authority registry to update the TLD name server with the details of authoritative name server the user has provided. So, TLD name server knows which authoritative name server will provide the exact IP address of requested website. However, is DNS necessary? If we know the dedicated IP address of the website, we can access it simply by typing its IP address in the web browser. In such cases, DNS will not play any role because we already know the IP address of the website. However, as the number of websites increases, it becomes difficult to remember the IP addresses. So, DNS servers eliminate the need of humans to remember these complex IP addresses. The only thing we need to remember the domain names, which are easier to remember. So, this is about the working of DNS. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like the video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.